Hello everybody, today I thought I'd make a short video showing you how to install one of these Wi-Fi 6E uh, network cards into a laptop. Specifically, this is a 2022 Asus TUF F15. So I'm gonna get this opened up, and obviously the first step is just gonna take the bottom panel off of this, and then I'll catch up with you once I got that done. All right, so yeah, I had some pretty dusty fans, so I just did a quick and dirty clean of that. Keep track of all your screws while you're doing this. But anyways, if you can't find the the Wi-Fi card, it's actually underneath the SSD. So there it is. There's our little. Oh, okay. I thought that was the model number. Just gonna take off this little thermal pad here. Put that somewhere safe. So that there is the AX201, and we're upgrading to the AX210. So Wi-Fi 6, Wi-Fi 6E. Not a huge upgrade. I just have to do this because mine is actually dying and my laptop's like barely usable right now. So, yeah, you're gonna want to disconnect the battery. This is probably different on most laptops, but let's see, there's the connector right there. Yeah, just be careful when you're doing that. Yeah, so it's pretty simple. You got your two leads. You got 1 and 2. So I don't even know if this is necessary, but we're just gonna say number 1 is the white one, number 2 is the black one, and then when we slot the new one in, I'll be able to remember that. And yeah, it's pretty simple. You just take the screw out, undo the leads and out, and put the new one in, reconnect the leads, screw it in, put this silly little thermal pad back on there, and then yeah, I'll be back once that's done, and then we'll see how it works. All right, so I got my new one installed. As you can see, we got leads 1 and 2. Those are the antenna leads. So we got 1 and 2 in the right location, and AX210. And it's all screwed. Yeah, I stripped the screw a little bit, but that's okay. I just hope that I can be a little smarter in the future and not have to do this again. Basically what happened was I left the laptop on a windowsill overnight, and the window was open and there was condensation, and ever since then the Wi-Fi has been working very poorly. So anyways, I'm gonna put this all back together. Yes. All right, so I don't have the bottom screwed on. It's on there, it's just not screwed in yet because I wanted to test this out to make sure. And there we can see it. AX210. Yeah, baby. Ready for that 6 gigahertz Wi-Fi. So now we need to download some drivers. Even though it's already working, it's good to have drivers. So we're going to get the Bluetooth, and then yada yada all the way down here, the Wi-Fi. I don't know why those two aren't at the top, because those are like the necessary ones. Those are, and then the rest are, I don't know, for IT administrators or for Linux. So yeah, we'll grab those drivers, install them, and yeah, that's the upgrade process. I rate 8 out of 8. Dude, my fingernails are so fucking long. Yeah, that's a W, boys. That's a W. It's a W.